Don't make these 3 mistakes when building a new PC. First up, don't buy the wrong monitor. If you're buying a $1,500 PC, don't buy a $3,000 monitor. Choose a monitor with the resolution and refresh rate that your PC can run. Secondly, stop overspending on your new PC. You don't need to get a $5,000 computer if the only thing you do is play The Sims. Just get a PC that suits the games and apps that you want to run, but most importantly, suits the budget that you want to stick to. Stop buying too much RAM. If you've already got 32 gig and you're only using 20 gig of RAM, there's no point getting 64 gig because nothing will happen and you'll just end up wasting your money. So let me know in the comments what mistakes you've personally made, and if you're looking for a new PC, check out cataclysm.com.au.